Hello DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting and informative video for you, a step-by-step guide on how to lay sheet vinyl flooring. Whether you're a seasoned DIY pro or a beginner looking to tackle your first flooring project, we've got you covered. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Gather tools and materials. Let's gather your tools and materials. You'll need sheet vinyl, adhesive, a utility knife, measuring tape, a straight edge, etc. Step 2. Preparation. Before we start laying the sheet vinyl, preparing the surface properly is crucial. Begin by cleaning and ensuring your subfloor is smooth, dry, and free from any imperfections. This will provide a solid foundation for your new flooring. Step 3. Measure and cut. Measure the room's dimensions accurately, taking into account any nooks or corners. Using these measurements, mark and cut the sheet vinyl accordingly. Step 4. Apply adhesive. Once you're satisfied with the positioning, it's time to apply the adhesive. Follow the manufacturer's instructions on the adhesive container, ensuring even coverage across the entire surface. Step 5. Install the sheet vinyl. Carefully lay the sheet vinyl onto the adhesive, starting from one corner and working your way toward the opposite end. Use a roller to smooth out any bubbles or wrinkles, ensuring a tight bond between the vinyl and the subfloor. Step 6. Trim excess vinyl. With the vinyl in place, use a sharp utility knife and a straight edge to trim any excess material along the edges of the room. Take your time and make precise cuts for a clean and professional finish. Step 7. Finishing touches. Congratulations! You've successfully laid your sheet vinyl flooring. Now, go the extra mile by sealing the edges with a seam sealer. These final touches will enhance the longevity and aesthetics of your new flooring. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to lay sheet vinyl flooring. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY tutorials, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video.